Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 10th, 2018, and my wax begonias that I planted in the seed starting mix finally started blooming. It took them a while, and you can see how big the plants are here. Everything's starting to grow together because it's getting so big, and it's too cold for it to go out yet. So this is a bicolor one. It's the white and pink, and I just wanted to give you an updated video on it. Now this one did take longer to bloom than the plants that I did in the Jiffy peat pellets. This one and the seed starting mix definitely took longer to bloom. It took longer for them to grow as well, and the plants still aren't quite as big as the ones in the peat pellets. So my preference would be to start the wax begonias in your peat pellets. But I just wanted to give you an update on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.